Time and time again, I'm asking how and when you might just open up to me. What am I to do with each question that I said up to you?
I don't worry now, we'll see the light of Saturday.
Let the tears of summer dry. It's time you know in me. Girl, if you and I are gonna put it into such a long scenario, let the time go by, and then when you need me, don't disappear. Like a bird, she flies to where the summer wind blows free. By and by, I'll show you know that you might not see me. You don't have to cry those tears no more. No more. You don't have to try so hard to get me. The sky might fall and eternity way down, but they can't put a smile out in me. It seems so long we've got along till the laughter and the pain. But this time in your eyes I see for me something nothing else forever changed.